Hello everyone, my name is Amin. I'm a fintech entrepreneur, and today I'm gonna break down for you what is a fintech is all about. So we'll talk about what you need to start a fintech, what is a fintech, the infrastructure behind it, and what are the future development and the disruption opportunities around the fintech industry. So let's get going. What is a fintech? Well, basically, it's a startup that deals with financial technology. This means that a fintech will develop solutions in order to serve the end consumer better. So these solutions could be end user applications or could be infrastructure applications. Okay? So here you have basically the three main layers on which a fintech is based. First of all, a fintech should be either an app, that means a user interface or a product for user, or an infrastructure. That means the infrastructure required to build an app in top of. Okay, well then, what is this infrastructure? What are the main components of this infrastructure? Well, up until a few years, this infrastructure was limited to the partnerships you have with other existing financial institutions. Today, things have changed and things have opened up. So thanks to PSD2, which I will explain, which is basically a unified protocol and a law that forces all banks, the banks that I know, that you know, to share the data if the consumer agrees to that sharing process. That means if you have an app, you ask your consumer, do you want me to get the information from your banking institution around you? They say yes, then I can get that data and develop applications that are useful to you. And didn't stop here. Since the last 2-3 years, we have the appearance of enterprise blockchain solutions, which can integrate with the PSD2 and give even a broader range of possible applications. And it did not stop there. Today, with the developments of decentralized finance, especially on the Ethereum mainnet, you have a new layer that is adding to the capabilities of the infrastructure layer. So you see with me that we went from only an app where you had a traditional bank helping you provide the service to a completely open infrastructure environment, allowing entrepreneurs like you, like me, develop the best solutions to serve and to remove efficiencies from the current financial environment. In the next few videos, I'll basically give you a crash course on every single concept here, trying to really dismantle them and identify with you the real opportunities in creating fintechs that actually serve a purpose, where there is an adoption and there is an added value for the end user. So stay with me, stay focused, and subscribe to this channel. You might be able to discover your next unicorn.